Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to get even more discounts and commissions selling data and airtime in Nigeria. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Now the app to use is called EdaPay. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. Now I've made other videos on how to use EdaPay. I'll leave them. You'll see the video that just popped up here. You can check it out and you see, or you can check the description. I have other videos about other apps as well that you can make money selling airtime and data bundles. So you come over to this hamburger menu. Now the strategy is simple, is for you to become an agent. Okay, now when you become an agent, it gives you more benefits. That's the most important part of using EdaPay. Now you get, firstly, it will cost you a one-time fee of 2,000 Naira. That's all. Once you pay that 2,000 Naira, you're good to go. Now you're going to see from the difference here, that once you're an agent, you have higher up to, I think, up to close to 100% increase in your commissions. You can see from here, for a normal user with a simple account, for a 500 MB data, you're gonna get 2 Naira 60 kobo, but for an agent, it's gonna get 5 Naira 21 kobo. Let's check higher ones for data for like 10 gigabytes. 10 gigabytes gonna cost you 2,400 Naira. The average user is going to get 50 Naira as cashback, but for an agent, you're going to get 100 Naira. Mind you, when you're selling the data, 10 gigabytes to someone, you're not going to sell it at 2,400. You're going to sell it at something else. So let's do a simple math here and see. You're going to sell it for your 10 gigabytes, you're going to sell it for like 3,000 Naira. On EdaPay, you're going to get it at 2,400 minus 2,400. So you're going to get 600 Naira from just selling it to someone else. Now, EdaPay is going to give you a cashback of 100 Naira. So we have plus 100 Naira. So on each transaction, on each 10 gigabyte transaction, you're getting 700 Naira. Now you can increase your price beyond 3,000 Naira for 10 gigabytes if you want. If you have ready buyers, it's fine. But then for a typical transaction of 3,000 Naira, you're getting 700 Naira back. So let's say you do about 10 transactions in a month for just 10 gigabytes, not just 10 gigabytes. You do 10 transactions, so multiply this by 10. So you're getting 7,000 Naira every week. You're getting 7,000 Naira every week. And let's say you do the same 10 all through the month. That is times, we have 4 weeks in the month, so this is times 4. So we have multiplied by 4. So you have 28,000 Naira monthly just by selling 10 gigabytes of data. So this is super awesome, an awesome way for you to make money. Don't forget, the most important thing is after you sign up, I'll leave the link in the description for that. After you sign up, you register as an agent by paying a one-time fee. You're not paying again. You're not paying. There's some other platforms where your payment is recurrent. You pay it monthly or annually. But for this, you pay just a one-time fee and that's it. A one-time fee of just 2,000 Naira. And you are already an agent. You can sell all this data and get really cool cashbacks that you could use that could add to your profits. So that's basically the strategy on how to earn even more cashbacks and even more commissions selling data and airtime. If you got some value from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell notification. I drop videos like this every day, so by clicking on the bell notification, you're gonna get notified. That's it guys on this video. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and God bless.